Hello, my name is Cesar Augusto Sanchez Sanchez. I am studying electronic engineering in the Open at Distance National University in the office city of Acacias, Meta. This is my infographic. Uh, this is my graphic. It's a compilation of the volume the three stages of the English course too. In stage 1, I describe the place where I spent my last vacation. Stage 2 is the climate of the city and finally stage 3 I make some recommendation about what people of that city can do you know. In stage 1 where was of my last vacation. My last vacation was for a period of 15 days. During these days, we were Wi-Fi in children in the city of Villavicencio. There we uh, visited Los Ocarros Park, a one place. We were able to observe animals such as fish, birds, reptiles, tigers, etc. We were else at the cinema watching a premiere movie, als sitting of the stone at love, having lunch and a family photo session. My family stage 2. How was the water in Villavicencio? The water in the city of Villavicencio is very hot. Also now the rainfall is very frequent, strong now the cities. I you want to go Villavicencio, keep this recommendation in mind. One, the water in the city of Villavicencio is very hot, and now the rainfall is very frequent throughout the city. Two, it's advisable that people wear their glasses. Three, it's necessary they on rainy days they use raincoats. Four, it's advisable the people visit Villavicencio in summertime. Five, it's important the people traveling to Villavicencio now the route is enabled because there are many leads due to water. Six, I recommend that people what visit the suit of carros wear very comfortable shoes and clothes. Seven, it's necessary the people care good device to communicate in case of the emergency. Eight, is a better day they use the public transport service to visit tourist site. Uh, uh, stay strict. Stay strict. What you can do to part. What people should do. One, I people should enjoy the magic of natural that the part of los carros of their outs. Two, people should wear hydrated during the shower in the park. What you not do in the park. What people should do. One, people should not litter where animals are. Two, People should not take pictures. Why? The camera flags. This stresses these animals. Thank you. Bye.